Having learned something about AP and GP, we are going to solve the following question. The question reads, the second, fourth, and seventh terms of an AP are the first three consecutive terms of a GP. If the common difference of the AP is 2, find A, the common ratio of the GP, and B, the sum of the first 8 terms of the GP. Let us read the question. The second, the fourth, and the seventh term of an AP are the first three consecutive terms of a GP. If the common difference of the AP is 2, find A, the common ratio of the GP, and B, the sum of the first 8 terms of the GP. To the solution, we shall first let the first term of an AP be A. So therefore, according to our formula, to get the nth term, just like we have learned in the introduction, we have the first term into bracket the number of terms minus 1, close the bracket, then you multiply by D. So according to the question, we are told the second term. So how do we get the second term? The second term is equals to A plus the second term 2 minus 1, which is 1, times D, which is A plus D. Then the fourth term, following the same formula, is equals to A plus 3D. Then the seventh term is equals to A, the first term, plus 6D. I hope we are together there. Kila mtu ameelewa. Now, since the question says that the common difference D is equals to 2, then we can replace wherever we add a D with a 2. So in the first instance, the second term will give us A, which is the first term, plus D, which is 2. The fourth term will be A times A plus 3 times 2, which is 6. And the seventh term will be A plus 6 times D, which is 2, giving us A plus 12. Are we together? Let's go to the GP. The first term of a GP is A. So if the first term is A, the second term will be AR minus AR 2 minus 1, which is A times R. Then the third term will be A times R, which is AR squared. And since the question says that these terms of an AP form the first 3 terms of a GP, then therefore the first term is the same as the second term of a GP. The fourth term of a GP is the same as the second term. The fourth term of the AP is the same as the second term of a GP, and the seventh term of the AP is the same as the second term of a GP. Applying therefore the formula, we can find out that if you divide A times R, the second term of a GP divided by the first term, you get the same answer because A and A will cancel, you will get R. And also if you divide the third term which is AR squared, times all over AR. A and A will cancel and R will cancel with the R squared, and we remain with R. That means, therefore, that if you divide the second term, which is this one, divided by the first term, is the same as the third term divided by the second term. Are we together? So if you cross multiply A plus, you cross multiply this one multiplies with this one, and this one multiplies with this one, you will have A plus 6 multiplied with A plus 6, which is A plus 6 squared, multiplied by, which is equals to A plus 12, multiplied by A plus 2, which is this one. If you multiply this side, the right side, you get A squared plus 12x plus 36, and the left side you will have A squared plus 14A plus 24. I hope we are together. You can try that one in a second or two. Okay, let's go on. If we bring A's on one side, I shall have A, which is this one. If there's A closest to this side, it will be subtraction. So I have A minus A squared plus 12A minus 14A, which is equals to 24 minus 36. So A and A will go. I have 12A minus 14A, which is negative 2A, is equals to 24 minus 36, which is negative 12. I divide both sides by negative 2. I get A is equals to 6. So therefore I can get the second term. The second term is equals to 6, which is A. A is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. The fourth term is 6 plus 6, which is 12. And the seventh term is 6 plus 12, which is 18. So the second term is 8. The fourth term is 12. And the last term is 18. These form the first three terms. And since I had said AR all over A is equals to AR squared all over A, which is equals to R. Therefore, to get R, I have to say R is equals to 12 over 8 or 18 all over 12. When you divide those one, you get the common ratio is 1 over 5. Are we together?